Boom. Damn it, right? It got my password here. The password.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Hey, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. When someone, an authorized person, log into your Wi-Fi network, chewing up or eating suck up your bandwidth is not the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario, when they have your own Wi-Fi password and they able to join your Wi-Fi, what they gonna do, they will do the man-in-the-middle attack and they will intercept your mail, mainly if your mail client is not secure with the TLS, or they will go to any website, they will try to fetch your password. I guarantee you, not every website have their own STS preventions in this case. Before I talking about the preventions, about the man-in-the-middle attack, etc., interceptions in the Wi-Fi, better secure your Wi-Fi, your office Wi-Fi, your Soho, small office, home office Wi-Fi, even your home Wi-Fi. You need to secure it right now. And in order to do that, you need to check how strength the security level of your Wi-Fi networks. In this case, how I will do that, I'm going to use this device. Its name here, the brand is Alpha Networks. What is the special with this device? In this device, they are contained with a chipset that can do the Wi-Fi or the wireless LAN monitoring. And also, I'm going to use one script only. Yes, running one script. Choose what Wi-Fi that we want to check the strength level. We do the penetration testing with that one. Not only checking the password, also checking in any aspect of the security, WPS button, etc. so on. It will do the some penetration testing. Yes, one comment only. Running one comment, choose which one that you want to do the penetration testing, and then boom, we will know is it crackable or not. Let's test now, guys. So first thing, I'm going to plug this device. And when the device already plugged, if you are using the VirtualBox, you need to choose this one, the Atheros. I think the chipset name is the Atheros chipset. Now, after I plug, you should see the LED like this. LED already blue. That means plugged properly. It's already recognized. I think this chipset have capability to do the wireless LAN monitoring. That's why this is special thing with this device. Now, the comment is very easy. What we need to do is just running the Wi-Fi. Okay, I just need to run one command. Yes, one command only as I promised it to you. Wi-Fi. You just running sudo Wi-Fi. If not there, then the Kali Linux will tell you how to install it. You can get it from the Kali Linux if you want to have this command. Sudo Wi-Fi. Okay, now it enabling the monitor mode. This is the special thing why we need to using this device. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I will just do penetration testing my own Wi-Fi. In this case, the name is Rifki Labs in this case. Okay, now I will Control C this one. And I will running, this is in the number 2. I will try to run right now. Okay. Now waiting for the pair main key blah 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 to capture. If my Wi-Fi have a WPS, the penetration testing, it won't go directly to the primary key, the pair main key in this case. It will go to first to the pixie dust attack or pixie dust penetration testing. Because in the pixie dust penetration testing, it will do the brute force directly towards to the WPS itself. So my suggestion to you, if you not really use the WPS, better switch it off, guys. So that is one of the aspect that I want to inform you to you beyond the password in this case. So let's see what's going to be happen right now. The thing that need to be noted, hackers sometimes, they don't want to hacking the Wi-Fi that there is no client connected to there because it's useless for them. There is nothing that cannot get the beacon, and also there will be no one that can do a target for the man-in-the-middle attack. This is something that you need to be noted. Okay, it's found one client in this case, this is I think my iPhone. The authentications, listening, finish, capture handshake. They get the handshake already saved. Now boom. Damn it, right? It got my password here. The password is password alphanumeric with the capital and also with the number in this case. But still, although I thought this is already long enough for me. I thought this is already have a numeric alpha with the capital, with the small, with the case sensitive, capital sensitive, lower sensitive, etc. And also have the number. I thought this is already safe. And for sure, I picked this because it's alphanumeric, long, and easy to memorize. It turned out it still can get a hack in this case. So better changing your password with the more complex one than this one. Please include also the special character. Okay, now guys, there are several aspects in this case what I already informed to you. First, Don't use the WEP, WEP. No. You need to use the WPA in this case. WPA itu better. Number 2, I already mentioned about the WEP, etc. Number 2, don't use the WPS if you not really use it. Go to your modem, disable that one. And if you don't know how to do that, just read the manual book and disable the WPS. If this modem came from your ISP, ask them. Number 3, use the complex password. Put it alphanumeric, long, special character, etc. Sometimes we afraid that, how about if we cannot memorize it? Number 4, my suggestion to you, use the very trustworthy password keeper. There are a lot of things in the internet. I'm suggesting you to use this is not paid promotions at all, no. I'm suggesting you to use the keeper. Because sometimes this paid password keeper, in this case, the name is keeper, is give you the peace of mind because you pay it like that. So, as my usual message, keep learning and stay humble.